Hello and welcome to City Talk, where we are talking about great things happening here in the city of Columbia. And one of those great things is the first golf tournament ever sponsored by the Columbia Housing Authority. We have with us Donna Gilbert, who is the executive assistant to the executive director for the Columbia Housing Authority. And she is here to talk all about their very first golf tournament.
Yes, I am. We are so excited that the Columbia Housing Authority is going to have their inaugural golf tournament on Friday, June the 5th. We're going to have it at Cobblestone Park in Blythewood, which is an absolutely beautiful golf course if you've been out there already.
It is beautiful. It is. Now tell me, because I'm sure people might be wondering, well, why is the Housing Authority sponsoring a golf tournament?
Well, I'm glad you asked. For those people that have been to the Housing Authority Wall of Fame, which I just happen to have one of our newsletters with us. This is the newest newsletter that is featuring our two new honorees on here. Of course, as you can see, we have the Assistant Superintendent for School District 2, who's one of our new honorees, and also Joseph Latson, who works for Richland Memorial Hospital. When we have this Wall of Fame and the honorees, we started a couple of years ago doing scholarships for the youth at the Housing Authority. And I also have,
you're just prepared.
I'm just prepared today, one of our sheets that we feature the honorees and the young people that have graduated.
Okay.
This is the 6 students that graduated on last year, and we gave them $1,000 scholarship. But because the Housing Authority is a HUD operated entity, we don't have monies like that we can continue to give out. Of course, we want to encourage education, so therefore we have to create an idea to be able to bring in funds. Therefore, we're starting the golf tournament, which is totally, all the proceeds are benefiting the students that are graduating from high school, going to college.
Okay, what a creative idea, and for a very worthy cause.
Yes.
Scholarships for youth in our community.
That's right, that's right. We are very excited. I must say that our executive director, Gilbert Walker, and the chairman of our board, Mr. Bobby Giss, who works for the University of South Carolina, is always talking about education. And so therefore that is one of our main themes at the Housing Authority, that we make sure that we spread that you need to continue your education after you have graduated. So as an incentive, then we turned around and said we needed to be able to give out scholarships. And so this year we do have currently 4 students that have put in their information and their application package with me. I'm expecting at least 3 more. Our deadline isn't until June the 2nd for their application. So hopefully we'll get another 4 or 5 in. And we would like to be able to award them a $1,000 scholarship to be able to continue their higher education.
Okay, and for those students who apply, because I'm sure there's some parents listening, maybe even some young people out there listening, do they have to be residents?
You do, you do. And again, that's why I brought the newsletter. Our residents, and this newsletter goes out to over 5,000 residents in the Housing Authority. This was mailed to them, and they should have received it this week or be receiving it this week. Inside our newsletter that we also have featured out, the Easter egg hunt with the City of Columbia.
Yes, which is always great.
Right, we have pictures of that. But on the next page, we have the golf tournament, and then we have the Education Award Ceremony. It talks about scholarships. To be able to participate, you can read this information in the newsletter. You have to be a resident of public housing or Section 8 to be able to qualify. And that's just one of the things. But it does outline that information in the newsletter. And then it has my contact information in there, which I'll be glad to give out also. It's 376-6161. And they can call me if they have more questions on the qualifications for the scholarship.
For the scholarship, okay. Yes. Now let's get back to this great golf tournament, okay?
Yeah, the golf tournament.
All right. And you said it's June 5th.
It's Friday, June the 5th at Cobblestone Park. And we are currently soliciting teams. It's $80 a person, $380 for a team. Anybody can participate. You don't have to have a team. You can be a single person, and we'll pair you up with someone. This is a registration form, and this information is also online.
And it can be found where?
On the Housing Authority website. If you go to the Housing Authority website, which is chasc.org, just like Columbia Housing Authority, South Carolina.org. When the website comes up, guess what? You will see the golf information on the first page. So you can get the information from there. You can also pay online. if you like to. So my contact information is on there. We tried to make it as easy as possible. But you know, there's so many golfers in Columbia. Honestly, I did not realize how many golfers there are in Columbia. So the information is going around. I'm just hoping now that they'll send the information back.
Golfers and also a lot of golfers who like to compete. So that's
yes,
a good thing.
Yes,
and
they
she
do.
came so prepared. She's got a poster here. Now, are these placed at various locations in the city, these posters?
They are.
Okay.
We're currently this week getting them out to the churches.
Okay.
So that we can have the pastors to help promote. Because like I said, our goal is to be sure that any senior that lives in housing authority that's graduating that would like to get a scholarship, that we'll be able to provide them with a scholarship. So that's why we're trying so hard to get as many golfers to come in and assist us with getting the money so that we will be able to in turn give scholarship to the youth.
Okay, and if anyone would like to participate and actually build a team, have a team, or have an individual participate, they can reach out to you. But also, I guess if anyone wants to help spread the word, wants information or posters, give us your contact information again. How can they reach out to you?
All right, well, they can, and I will give you that, but I also need sponsorships.
Okay.
I'd like to do some gift baskets, so I'm looking for some donations for my gift baskets. Of course, we'll take tees and balls, but we also will take, if you have a basket you'd like to donate that's already ready, I'll be glad to do that. My contact information is, my phone number is 376-6161, directly at the Columbia Housing Authority. My email address is D, like Donna, Gilbert, at chasc.org. So that's extremely easy. It's just like our website.
Okay, Donna, you are going to be a busy woman. So contact you if you would like to offer a sponsorship or a gift basket.
Yes.
Okay. Also, if you are interested in getting some information to distribute in your community.
Yes.
Okay. And then if anyone actually has questions about the actual golf tournament, they can also reach out to you.
That's correct. Or anything else if it relates to the Housing Authority. I'll be glad to answer anyone's questions at any time. That's not a problem. So they can just give me a call or an email, either one.
Well, you do so much in the community, and you do so much on behalf of the Columbia Housing Authority, and we appreciate everything that you do. And this is a wonderful idea.
Thank you.
And again, the end result will result in scholarships for our youth, which is one of the, I guess, most important things really in actually having a solid foundation for one's future. So
absolutely.
That's an absolutely great cause.
Absolutely.
Okay?
Thank you so much. And thank you to the City of Columbia for allowing us the airtime to be able to publicize this event.
Well, this is a very worthy cause. It's a great event, and anything we can do to help spread the word. So again, if you have information that you need or if you have questions, reach out to Donna Gilbert. And it feels strange because we are close working comrades and friends, and she's always doing great things in the community.
Thank you.
But also, if for some reason you can't reach her and you need information, you can always reach the City of Columbia, and we'll make sure that we have posters at our locations as well, and we'll make sure that we try to get these placed in city buildings and other locations to help spread the word.
And we want you to come out too.
Well, I don't play golf, but I did talk to you about a little volunteer arrangement. So if I need to go out and volunteer,
bring your clothes and you can pretend.
Help the community, yes. But I can pretend. Look, I take really good pictures and I can pose. And we can do. If you need any PR assistance,
there you go. There
I
you
can
go.
Volunteer on that.
I won't turn down any volunteers.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you need volunteers as well. So
I
guess if there are groups or organizations who want to volunteer and maybe come out and help that day.
Give me a call.
Okay. All right. Sounds great. Thank you so much. If you need information, please reach out to Donna Gilbert with the Columbia Housing Authority regarding their inaugural golf tournament, which is a fundraiser for scholarships for our youth.